Hello guys, there have an Electrolux oven SteamBoost COB8S39WZ, and today I will show you the full setup of this device. So there we have a touch panel, so you can freely click on the desired icons. We're gonna start from choose the language. There we have all the language of this device. As you can see, it's a lot of them, so pick your desired one and go. Now you can set the display brightness. After that, the key tones. You can also turn off the tones in this place. This is the buzzer volume. And now you can set the water hardness. After that, you can set the time, and we are ready. If you want to connect your device to Wi-Fi, click yes. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.